Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to link Splice to Ableton. This easy method will streamline your music production. First, ensure you have the Splice desktop application installed and running. This application acts as your central hub for all your downloaded samples and presets. It allows for seamless integration with your digital audio workstation, making your workflow much more efficient. You'll find all your sounds neatly organized and ready for use. Now for the simplest part, integrating your sounds. Open your Splice desktop application and browse your extensive library of samples. Once you find the perfect sound, simply click and drag it directly into your open Ableton Live project. You can drop it onto an audio track, into a drum rack, or even a sampler. It's a quick and intuitive process that saves valuable time during your creative flow. After dragging your samples into Ableton, it's crucial to keep your project organized. Save your Ableton project regularly to ensure all imported Splice samples are included. Consider creating custom folders within your Ableton browser for your favorite Splice sounds. This practice helps maintain a tidy library, making it much easier to locate specific sounds quickly for future projects and creative endeavors. To truly enhance your workflow, think of Splice as a constant source of inspiration. Don't just use it for one-off samples. Explore its vast library for new ideas and creative sparks. Experiment with layering different Splice sounds, processing them with Ableton's effects, and integrating them seamlessly into your tracks. This approach will help you develop a unique sonic signature and keep your productions sounding fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.